Welcome to Quick Bite, your fast and friendly Florida insurance update.
Hello, hello, hello. This is Roshonda, agency owner of the Isom Insurance Group, right here in the sunshine state of Florida, back again or welcoming you back to another Quick Bite episode, your fast and informative insurance market update. Today is Friday, December the 25th, 2025, the day after Christmas, that quiet in between day where the celebrations are over, the wrapping paper is gone, and most people are easing back into reality before the new year officially begins. And believe it or not, this is one of the most interesting and most revealing weeks of the year in insurance because between Christmas and New Year's, people finally slow down enough to ask the questions they've been putting off all year. So, for today's Free Friday Quick Bite, we're talking about what people usually ask their insurance agent between Christmas and New Year's, and why these questions tell us a lot about how people really think about insurance. One of the first questions I hear this week is, do I need to call you about my Christmas gifts? The honest answer is sometimes yes. People receive gifts like jewelry, electronics, firearms, high end bicycles, or expensive tech gifts. Most people assume their homeowners or their renters insurance automatically covers everything they own, but policies have category limits, and those limits surprise a lot of people. So this week I hear things like, I got a new ring, my spouse bought me a new laptop, my kid got a new gaming system. And this is exactly the right time to ask the question before there is a loss, not after. Another very common question, can this wait until January? And I completely understand why people ask. Everyone is tired. It's the end of the year. No one wants to deal with paperwork between holidays. But here's the truth, some things just cannot wait. Some things really shouldn't. Coverage changes, endorsements, and updates usually take effect when they're requested, not retroactively. So if something changed in December and we wait until January, there could be a gap. This is one of those situations where timing quietly matters. Another question that pops up every year, why did my renewal come so early? Between Christmas and New Year's, people finally opened mail that's been sitting on the counter for weeks, and suddenly they notice a renewal packet dated early December for a January or February policy. Insurance companies send renewals early to allow time for review, changes, and underwriting, especially with holiday closures. Seeing renewals early is completely normal. Ignoring them is what causes problems. Another question I hear a lot this week, did something change with my policy? Sometimes the answer is no, but sometimes yes. Deductible adjustments, endorsement updates, coverage wording evolves. Most changes are subtle, but subtle doesn't mean unimportant. This quieter week is actually one of the best times to review your declarations page without feeling rushed or pressured. Another question that comes up, why does insurance suddenly feel more expensive? Nothing dramatic changed overnight. What changed is awareness. Between Christmas and New Year's, people review bank accounts, credit cards, and subscriptions. Insurance becomes visible again. This week often triggers honest conversations about value, coverage, and long term priorities. And those conversations are healthy. Sorry, my Alexa picked up on our conversation. Here's a question people don't always ask out loud, but it shows up in conversations this week. Why do I only think about insurance at the end of the year? The answer is simple. The end of the year forces reflection. People think about what changed, what worked, what didn't. and what they want to do differently. Insurance touches your home, your car, your finances, and your peace of mind. So it naturally comes back into focus. That's not a bad thing, it's human. Another great question that comes up, what should I be asking right now? And it doesn't have to be complicated. This week is perfect for asking, does this still fit my life? Do I understand what I'm paying for? Has anything changed that I should update? You don't need to overhaul everything. Sometimes clarity is the biggest win. Between Christmas and New Year's is quiet on purpose. It gives you space to think clearly without everyday noise. Insurance decisions are best made calmly, not during emergencies. That's why some people reach out this week with thoughtful questions. If today's free Friday quick bite resonated, maybe you had one of these questions yourself, or you've been meaning to review something but kept putting it off. This is a great time to schedule a no obligation policy review. We can answer questions, walk you through your coverages, and make sure everything is aligned before the new year begins. And to do so, please visit our website and you could just request a policy review directly on our website. If you found this quick bite episode helpful, please like this video, share with your friends, and drop a comment below with any questions you would like for us to cover, or have been thinking about asking but just haven't asked yet. Don't forget our quick bite schedule is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It drops at 2 p.m. Eastern. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as legal, tax, or specific insurance advice. Please consult a licensed insurance professional regarding your unique situation. This is Roshonda with the Isom Insurance Group here in sunny Florida. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your holiday week. I'll see you next time. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at isominsurancegroup.com.